And me a fuck from me a 16. And the sweetest fuck and the biggest hood me get in my life. I think I did have the biggest hood. I'm a buck up on Dexta blood clot cocky.
Yeah, breathing in my studio again. I wonder for the studio breathe at that time, yeah.
You should go up on that blood clot life then. You know, so you take your bait. You take your blood clot bait in a foot. I never want to know.
What a mad bumbo clot girl doing? What's that? Hey girl, you're a mad girl. Remember me tell you this. You're a mad bumbo clot girl. You need psychiatric evaluation. Oh my God! You idiot, you.
Hey, watch on, man. Viewers and subscribers. Me I wonder if, when Elephant Man said dance all nice again, me I wonder if I listen to that talk, boy. Because back to back days, we have days what a drama on the internet. You see me I say, ain't no Lisa hype been going on and on non-stop about Dexta Daps, how much she breed for Dexta Daps, how much, you know what I mean, she lose the baby, how much Vibes Cartel for buy her a JLE, then she fire her stylist. I just be a buckery. Lisa hype go out on the internet. You see me I say, but you know Dexta Daps came on live last night and addressed the situation and make the people them know what go on. You see me I say, basically I say, you know, him wish the artist well and I hope say, you know, all of this not really paint no form of narrative, you see me? But him kind of stay away from the drama, stay away from the madness, which is right, because you know, the Dexta Daps normally not go live. You see me, I say, people.
She build her thing, she and her team build her thing out of nothing. So I don't want to say nothing for deteriorate that. You get me? Because I'm an artist. You get me, I say. And as an artist, you have to always support another artist. You get me, I say? I just say it work. But I don't like the fuck one time. Alright. People. Mary was in the studio. My studio. I have a studio named Deadly Beats. Big up to my G. Those you know the thing. Big studio. Deadly Beats is our studio in Seaview Gardens. Yesterday, Mary in my studio I shoot a video, you know. I'm still not gonna say anything negative like take her out or anything, because as a musician. But at the same time, yeah, breathing in my studio again. I wonder if the studio breathe at that time, yeah. Listen, I don't understand if this are the cloud thing where you do for get the views them or whatever. But this is like a 5-year anniversary of madness I come round back. I never know. I never expect it. You get me? Just do music, me I beg you please. My community welcome music. Musicians going on my scheme. We always welcome music, not madness. You get me? And to our family again, just please seek some help for her and make sure so she good. Because at the end of the day, our music. You get me I say? Too much madness back at it. If at this, you have to do forget a song play, it not add up to me. Like, me I go try sing, sing until it work. You get me? Me don't need the drama, me don't need all this bag of foolishness for make up this narrative just to make people talk. You get me I say? Just do the right thing. To our family again, please, help. You get me? Do something, man. You get me? A music. You get me I say?
So watch out now, people. After Dexta Daps went live and addressed the situation and also promote his song for February the 14th, which is today, you know what I mean? The song Lockdown, which he might drop the video later on. You know, Lisa Hype went live also and she talk about a bag of things. You see me I say? A bag of drama. Yo, the internet not safe right now. You see me I say? But people, when you listen to what Lisa Hype have to say.
Tell me, because I'm going to prove everything to you tonight. I don't have a fist fight with you. Although I know taekwondo and I know Yankee, but I know for true fist. And me know if you work, me ratchet. Remember them tell you about me, you know. Remember, you know. When me come and see you, you know. A Shana Chin your wife up, you know. And it's a siren spirit Shana Chin have over here, you know, boy. And so do see and hypnotize you, make your wife far up, you know. Remember the whole industry fuck Shana Chin, you know. See? Remember now. And these are facts, because we not do fiction. And me I said, John Star. This broke my vibes. Big Dexta Daps a wife of Shana Chin. I said, no man, I forgot give him a one fuck and boots him ego. For him see same thing bigger than that. Remember I rape you the first time we fucking a dapper. Hold you down and take your cocky, you know. For boots your ego, build your self-esteem, you know. But then me realize it's not a self-esteem problem. It's a Capricorn thing. Me realize a Capricorn man love turn trash in a treasure because you no feel on a God. So I say, alright then, what the fuck I go on with that youth, you know? Because remember me is an empath, you know. Remember me can see beneath the eyes. See? Remember, you don't know me, you know. It not take 2 months to know me. It not take 5 years to know me. Because 50 different personality me have. You don't know me. Nobody don't know me but me. Not even my boss don't know me. See? And me I say, bumbo clot. You know, says a siren blood clot spirit the girl Shana Chin have. I use and I seduce the man them in a dance hall to pussy clot. Me I save that boy. Because the little time I down there, I realize that this boy I sing about me for years. And I go play the song them from him just start sing about me. You see me, since me the Lulu. Alright then, me do Lulu. Because the cock is sweet. Me do Lulu. Alright, fine, no problem. I'm me mad. Alright, fine, no problem. So I go so rape him. Him love the rape. I go so bombs and suck the cock with passion. Him goes to a song. Me love a girl who suck my cocky with passion. Outstanding. Yeah, cause make me love me make love to him be good. I say, alright then. Give him the one fuck. But as I say, we vice the song before we fuck. Me I say, alright then. When me there on him, happy, me love him vibes, cause me not gonna lie, him treat woman good. But a demon, you know. You see me, but that's why I say, devil say no come tell you no. I say, devil say no come tell him no book up on God. Devil say no come tell him no book up on God. Devil say no come tell him no book up on God. Book up on God on a blood clot demon, but me have God in me. So may I show you something. You should go up on that blood clot life then. You know, so you take your bait. You take your blood clot bait in a foot of hype never want to know. You not hear where foot of hype never want to know. Foot of come and foot of want to know. Alright, no. Ear out I go start. No. This is going to be the biggest viral moment in your blood clot career. So I'm going to go bombs now. Remember, you know, at the time when me they save you with him, you know. If tell you, oh, I fall in love with the fuck with the boy, give me the sweetest fuck me get in my life. And me a fuck from me a 16. And the sweetest fuck and the biggest hood me get in my life. I think I did have the biggest hood. I'm a buck up and Dexta blood clot cocky. Me I say pussy clap, but it still never lick my chip, because you know me a gangster. Me just did love the fuck. And the purpose of fucking him was to build him self-esteem. But I start go down there every day and hold our vibes with it. I take off my married ring. When I done him, I put it on back. Me and Mrs. Grandis right now. So, at the time, Sika Rhymes did get shut up. So, and me did I buy a grocery for the boss. And me did I visit the boss. And me did I work on the Phoenix album. It's the collaboration where him and Chronicler have, and me make that happen. Because the boy say him want to do a song with Chronicler, and I call Chronicler if he come at the studio and do the song. When me call Chronicler to come at the studio and do the song, because at the time, him start getting him feelings over me pussy and the fuck them when me give him. Him feel at the time say, me and Chronicler did a fuck. Me and Chronicler never did a fuck. Anyway, at the time, Sika Ramsey get shut up and me I deal with everything for the boss. Me have the boss checkbook, me have couple house key, and me carry the boss lunch and them somebody. Hold on. Make sure I look for the first song when me I play. Yeah. So after we voice the song now, for a couple more time. And remember me groom different in a world boss groom me. So me groom as a thugs. So me can't dead there and a man there so and the man when me a deal with all have 5 girl around him and a good same way cause my confidence buck. No girl can get me Gigi. You see me? Yeah, cause my confidence buck. I saw me a show him say him for a film thing. You see me? Cause I him name Dexta Daps him for all have 6-7 girl one place and no work can go on. That me a show him, you know. Anyways, Dede and the first time I fuck him. No, the second time, because the first time I rape him. Hold on, I can't pass the live here right now. This hot. Get one well cool ID King downstairs for me, please. I make them gear the change here. So, go some bombs now. Start with the vibes with him. Whatever. House dirty. Full of cobweb and girl live in a house with him. So you know, so I send go buy some bleach and Fabuloso and all of them something. They clean the house. Wipe down with wipe down. Well, clean. Clean the house, fold up clothes, whatever. Cause boy house for clean. You can't have girl in your yard and girl wake up and no spread bread and girl tell you how she name controller boss. She not clean and she not this. Nasty girl that. So, clean the house, whatever. When she come back, come see me in him underpants and in blood-clad shirt. Goody start ball to blood-clad. Anyway, I never move. Me don't the same blood-clad way. Cause the body sweet me. And what I want, I always get. Anyway, I never did say I'm a personal man. Because I remember at the time, I'm a boss. So you know, say, my man start get jealous now, up in him feelings. Up in him blood-clad feelings over me good world. When my boss call me normally, when the boss just start call and me make him talk to the boss, him talk to the boss. All of a sudden him now want to talk to the blood-clad boss again. Up in him feelings. So you know say one night, such man in a him blood-clad room with one of him woman named Tash from England. Asleep. Me think him gonna sleep. Me outside on the veranda bleach and I talk to my boss. Video call. Rasclat when me look. Such man lock off the blood clot light for me and my boss. So me say, pussy clot, no, this gets serious. How with the blood clot me I could do ya now. This a show me say feelings start catch. Anyway. Still not left because I not lie. Me happy when me around him. And him happy. Like a 5, 6, 7 year old when him there around me. So me I say, oh, me I go do this now, cause I didn't know me is a girl no stray. And me no go nowhere go stay too long, cause me no frightened for no pussy hole. That are the first thing him teach him artists them. No frightened for nobody, no frightened for no artist. A you name Popcorn, a you name Lisa Hype, a you name Ja Vinci, a you. Yeah, one thing with our boss, him teach with the things them. So from him see me go and stuck, him know say fuck go on. So you don't know what the boy go do. Drop the blood clot song we say, stop fight with him, make him fight for you like Tyson. Tyson, you too nice to him. The boy love him belly, just poison him. Blood clot. Say I know say me carry my boss lunch, go give my boss call me and say, hey girl, you feel like you can't poison me? I go think say me not love me belly. Pussy class. Hey, the two man them are crosses. I'm telling you this, ladies, never date a Capricorn blood clot demon man. If you're not strong mentally, you will mad out to bumbo clot. Cause guess what? Then toxic you fuck. But guess what you never know about a Sagittarius? We are the god of toxicity. What name? Toxicity or something like that. I can't pronounce the word right now. Right now I'm corrupt and dark. You don't know say me not depend no joking. Me not depend no joking. When you say mama it a mad me. A mad me oh fuck. Are the sweetest fuck me ever get in my life. They said the fuck all make me get in a spirit and talk Christianity. Jesus, hallelujah. No, sir. Me not done go on a story yet, you know. The story not even started yet. The story not even started. Foota never tell you if you do the right thing. Foota never tell you if you do the right thing. I should have even go live with you know. I should have even go blood clot live with. Hold on, let me see if I can tag Foota. Hold on. You never know, say me have the picture with my belly. You never know. Your friend them tell you about, oh, me never did a breed. And a lie, me did a tell. And whatever. You never know, say me have the picture. You never know. The girl them where you fuck. The big woman them where you fuck. We feel like them can use them brain for me. I'm going like me no know what I go and tell you say. I lie me I tell me never did a breed. Oh your blood clot feel when you see me drop the picture what there your pussy. Me say, me no want buck you a foreign you know. A Jamaica me want buck you. For rinse some shot over your head and bust couple shot of your ears and bust your bum buckler ears drum boy. You know how we are ramp with? And then hold you and rape you after that blood clot. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here to me. Come here to me. Yeah, I talk about if me bad when me a run from me nah run. My father teach me say never you pursue a man. Me not chase bumbuckler man. And me not do self-praise cause that is no recommendation. My father tell me as a woman, never you pursue a man. You know why me pursue you? Because me see say them blood clot of siren spirit a control you. Save your pussy. You know how much dopey me fight down a save you for you. Bumbo hole. When me come a see you, me white and pretty. When me left blood clot see you, me black and ugly, no bumbo clot. And me deliberately stay from you. And I say every time you come to Jamaica upon your birthday and whatever, you see me no look upon you. You no see me no look upon you. This your pussy you well disciplined. You see before me fuck you, at 2 years me never fuck. Before me, when me fuck you, when me rape you, at 2 years me never fuck for. That's why my foot could have go up in that ear like chandelier. I go play the blood clot song them for the people them. I make them see say me a sing boy. Fling the drawers away, fuck her away, she have to come back tomorrow. Fling the drawers away, fuck her away, she a run like a barrow. Stop tell like I'm never run. Me back up my blood clot, but me back up the blood clot backers pan you. And when you give me the backers, then me turn my face and say, pussy hole. Pussy hole. You forgot in the office? The backers there when me give you? When you get jealous because blood clot, when you get jealous because whether you the name, whether blood automatic them in the office are reason with me. You get jealous and you and boom tick outside a chat beer fuckery a chew a word like blood clot girl and you see me knit up my eyebrows up and you stop chat. And then automatic them go in and you come in at the office and lock the room door. You figure that day there? You figure that fuck there? Behavior. Behave your blood clot self. And don't draw me out. Member, me mad. Member, me have me certificate. Member, me drink the sweet Milo tea. So me fuck up your blood clot and go court. Nothing not gonna come out of me just go plead insanity. Pussy. So you better come to me now. Come. Come to me. Come to me now. Come to me. Behave. Here. Alright. Behave your blood clot self. Oh. So me know say you not no sense, you know. You know see all the chat me I chat up my mouth pa my boss no look pa me. Cause him know me are the female version of him. Him know me mad no blood clot. Him prefer to see me. No. The man take the beat to blood clot. Me know you fuck my sister. I gonna beat you on her one time. You never know me beat man too. Hold on. Brother, remember when we start fucking, you know, some wanted man where you never seen in years I carry fruits come at your yard 6 o'clock a morning come give me. You forgot? You forgot, Louis? Come on, man. That make me have to talk some things. Come on, Louis. Behave na Louis, man. So true, you fuck Tasha. You go away?
Yeah.
Alright. Text me when you reach home.
Alright.
And remember what we have to do tomorrow. Oh, boss this for me. So true, you fuck my sister and the whole I want to plan up to set me up. True, you fuck my big sister and the whole I want to plan up to set me up and it no blood clot work. I'm a trick on. Me trick on no blood. I gotta give her some blood clot lick. I gotta give her some pussy clot lick, you see? Yeah, man. Oh, do me a favor. Tell the gentleman downstairs say I want him boil some. I want some hot water for put the chamomile in. For put the chamomile tea bag in it. Yeah. Don't bother remind me to get sleep. A lazy people alone sleep, brother. When me ready for sleep, me will sleep. You no love tell people, but hey, I will tell you who for go programming a boy. So you fuck Tasha and feel like me no know you fuck my sister. You should have come live. You should have come live, Louis. Kill your daddy are the biggest girlies. I fuck you for spite. I fuck you for spite. If me no want your cocky mad me, can't mad me, you know. But if you tell you the truth, you can't fuck. But me sure my sister can't fuck like me. So no care how you fuck her, you fuck her and I sing about me. She can't fuck like me. My sister a nerd. My sister a nerd and her mouth stink. You not smell her mouth? Me I ask you if you not smell her mouth. Cause anytime my sister talking on my face, me smell her mouth. Me know you smell her mouth. You not smell her mouth? Me I ask you if you not smell her mouth. You ever smell my mouth yet, pussy? The morning when I wake up, I wake you up 6 o'clock. You all sing about that. I wake you up 6 o'clock with a blood clot head. When me buck your blood clot cocky in my throat. You did have to sing about it. You sing about that too. Remember when you are coming and you say, hey, blood clot, girl. The come from straight out of your back. I'm tell you this. Stop singing a song about swallow, cause bad girl no swallow nothing. My stomach too strong for swallow come. Stop singing a your song about swallow and them something. When you sing about me, sing facts. Not sing no fiction. Me never swallow come yet from me start so good. Never. And that will never happen. I might make you come in on my face. But me never swallow come yet. The song where you sing we say. She said where you need a freak for. When you already have Lisa. You never know say I'm me at the done when it come on to freakiness. Me I ask you. Which girl you have can ever freaky than me? When I me make me boss sing, freaky girl of them girl let me love, freaky woman of them girl let me love. Never see nothing when me love so. Anytime me fuck my cocky get soaked. So me circle the go club. Me tell you this. When the picture come out with me never did for left Gaza. I wasn't supposed to left because the man did have damage control and everything. But here what me a done. Me a done. My whole my own. And the way how me get dark and see me just come out and this every female in the business except ladies and just start beer war. But get here. Look on the good way come out right. For that 2 years. When me come out and this every female except ladies and the angel. When you look no man no dey on the flyer them a beer woman book for the show them. You not go like you no want put respect for my blood clot name. You know why me a primo boss? Ladies give me the crown and him give me crown to the blue ear girl. And that's why me a primo blood clot boss. But here what? Me and my boss thing different. You is not my boss. Me know my boss from me a 5 years old. Me no know you from me a blood clot 5. Where you take the bait for? Where you take the blood clot bait for? Why you take the bait? Why you take the bait, Louis? Why you take the bait? Why you go up on your life? Why you never just stay quiet? You notice that my boss no go live? Him no go live, him not pay me no mind. You notice how him silent? Because him know say when him do that, he just go make me angry more. My boss know me because him grew me. The more him ignore me, the darker me get. My boss know me. Why you take the bait? Because you don't know me. You listen to everybody around you. All of your girl them were all big and decomposed. The big decomposed old girl them. You listen to them. You know why I'm not this your friend them. Because you have a few friends when me rate. You have a few friends when me rate. So I'm not this your friend them. But some of your friend them in your ears too. And you diss me. Me diss my boss for you. And you diss me. But you never know when my boss do. My boss orchestrate everything. Because I tell my boss say I love you, you know. And I tell my boss say you love me. And boss say he love you. And I know what him do. Him just orchestrate fuckery. And put out everything on the internet. And yeah, cuss me. Oh, stop call up my name. Yeah, take coke. And when you go mention coke to me, I saw me diss your blood clot and ask if you ever see me sniff coke around you yet. And I tell you, say me will shoot you. And you take it personal because you know me will shoot you for true. But me never say me I go shoot you. Me say me will shoot you. Me ago and me will are two different something. If me did look for my boss and say, yo, we shoot you, you know, and me go shoot you. You know, say I laugh, him would laugh over me. I turn that would turn on my boss. Laugh, him would laugh over me. Behave you here. Behave. Behave. Me I go save you. Me nah go no more. Cause you my husband, you know. And me not try to make you look small. But how the fuck me I show you love? And me I market you. And me give you so much hit song. What do I do when you come out and say if you fuck a girl and she not inspire you, I give you 2 hit song. And the amount of blood clot hit song me give you, the 4 fuck, 5 fuck when me give you. You should have buy me a GLE blood clot Benz pussy. And you should have buy me a GLE Benz. The amount of hit song me give you. You know, see, say you never find no hit song till me and my boss start touch back road. But me start fuck by the ex-girl there. Although I saw me breed. But, behave. And hurry up and come to me here. Don't make me have to find you, because I will find you. I know exactly where you are. Don't make me have to hunt you down for your good hood. Don't make me have to hunt you down for your good cocky little boy. Behave here. Hurry up and come to me. Me I wait. Me I wait. Me I wait for you, man. Me nah go hurt you. I just want to go on with beer things and then we just fuck after. I forgive you. I forgive you. Forgive you, man. To all me love you till me fool. You fuck up still, you know. You fuck up in a dog. You fuck up in a dog. But me love you, dog. I love you, dog. Because I know you love me. Remember in the office you tell me say you love me. And when you tell me say you love me, I say look on a pussy hole. I come and tell girl boy you love. You take me for idiot. Remember the night there in the office? When you look for me in my eye, look me in my eye and tell me say you love me. Say a lie me I tell. If you're bad, come out and say something else. If you're bad, touch back your blood clot life. If you're bad. You run go do song with Vanessa Blinker, you try draw me out, forget me jealous. And when I see the blood clot song, hear me. Watch them 2 idiots, yeah. And one hear me. You see everything when me I don't know? One hear me stay away. And tucking on my bumbo clap. Bad 21, bad girl cave. And plan my blueprint again. Fuck up this blood clot. Remember, you know, a 2 boss me have now. World boss and Clive Davis. You don't know who is Clive Davis? I don't say no more too, no. 2 boss me have now, no dead in the show. And remember, I don't need a ghost rider. And you know, when me put pen to paper, it's not safe. Because you watch and you talk. Remember the day when me in the middle? And the bag of crowd their own way. And me nah look upon you, me nah look upon the crowd. Me in my book I write my song then. And you remember where you sit in front of everybody? You saw she write with fear pen. Now anybody where you see move, so you know, dangerous, you know. You remember? Me not forget no moment with you, you know. You remember the night when me take away your weed round and done well? And me chat beer fuckery the night, cause kill you dead a beer fuckery me and chat, you know. But me didn't mean every word. You remember the night when me take away your spliff and it? Me eye you fuck. And me chat beer things. They didn't mean every word. Remember that night they me carry up on my yard? And about 3 rounds we go. We fuck. When you look the room upside in down. The whole scheme. Hear me? To how you fuck up my hole. Remember that night they me breed? Remember the fuck where you fuck me in my room, me breed when you just come from jail. And you fuck me to the song. what you do. The reality song where you do. And not even fuck song you fuck me pan. It's like you let go the whole of your pain in a pull out clad pussy. You fuck me over and over upon the song and me breed. And when me breed, I text you and tell you say I'm pregnant. And what you say to me? Me nah no shame, you know. Pride nah go kill me, you know. Me I tell the people them the blood clot truth. Remember when me text you and tell you say I'm pregnant, what you say to me? Don't make me block you. And I just bite my lip and say, no man, it's alright. Don't block me. You remember that, pa? To all, I cherish you and I deal with you like a look, baby dog. I not even talk patois to you. I speak to you in a proper English. You say, yo, man, you block me. I say, no, don't block me. Everything good. I'm hold it. And you know how me find out I'm pregnant? A footer hype. Me see do one video. Somebody send me a video with footer hype attack and say, yo, no see Lisa hype belly. Father God, if I'm lying, I'm dying. Yeah, watch my video with footer hype and footer hype say, yo, no see Lisa hype belly. And to all me so caught up in a yo, me no realize me miss me period for 2 months. And so comes me realize me period no come. Cause to all me happy like Christmas when me there around you. Me not have a care in the world. Me no remember say my period no come. And after me done watch that video there with footer hype, me go check my period something up on my phone and look say bumbo clot. At 2 months my period no come. My pussy clot me breed. But due to all me think me could breed. Due to all me think me could breed, me not expect for breed. I remember the night when me carry on my yard, a big bumbo clock box of condom there on my pink dress. I remember me in my room pretty and pink. Me never cap. Pretty face but my attitude stink. In my room well clean and pink. And on my chain alone me full of link. You think it's a joke thing? Alright. The big box of condom on my dresser, you just cut your eye past the condom and force up your blood clot with it in my hole. But through which part your hood touch, it never been touched before to all your hood big. Me feel like that's why me breed. And then me never fuck for 2 years. Where you touch your life for? Where you touch your life for? Don't touch back your life. You hear me I tell you? Behavior. Behavior. Behave. Behave. I'm not talk to you again. Done with the waste of thing. You know have to create a scene. Look how you deal with me. Rough like alligator skin. Me she. Oh yeah, go like I know me ya sing boss so you. Just behave. It's okay. Love make you do crazy thing. Good pussy. Alright. So, oh, me not afraid to say you're cocky and mad be. So, oh, you are going like say, my good old, now make you sing about me. How much song you ever sing about me? Talk the truth, you know. Because I will prove it to the people, them. How much people over here? Bumble clock, 2,000 odd. You know how much, hey, you know how long me not get so much people for my life. I saw over here so nice. I saw over here so nice. Yo, Ika, talk to your cousin. Talk to your cousin. Don't draw my tongue. Don't draw my tongue.
Hey, watching the man, that is it for now. Thanks for all watching until the end of the show. Leave your thoughts down in the comment section and let me know what you think. Like always, like, comment, share the notification bell for further updates and videos. Banging, watch you now.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing Watch Ya Know! The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's Watch Ya Know, me, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! Watch Ya Know.